welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm doing a little weekend in my life vlog. Today's Friday, January 13th. I'm gonna be starting off with some skincare. I think my skin has been clearing up so much recently and I'm very happy with it. It just feels smooth. This Merit Beauty serum, the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, has been a game changer for me. So I've been using it for over a month now and I really think it's made a big difference in my skin. And I love this, but unfortunately, currently it's out of stock. I'll have a link to it down below. Hopefully it comes back soon. I just wanted to mention that because I know I made a vlog not too long ago just talking about my skin breaking out and now it's like a lot more clear. I like to start with the Face Values Daily Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is a dupe to the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I just use this to wash my face. I use this morning and night. After I go in with face wash, I just dry my face with a towel and then I use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream Moisturizer. I've been using this for a while now. I love it. And after I moisturize, I usually just go in with an SPF. Sometimes I will put a little bit of benzoyl peroxide on. If I have a really stubborn pimple, I might put just a little bit of this on after I moisturize just as a spot treatment. But I usually only use my spot treatments at night. But if I have a really stubborn one, I might also throw it on in the morning. In my morning skincare, I'm also trying today doing just like a day in my life mini vlog for TikTok, and then I would also post it on like Instagram and stuff as well. So that'll be on my TikTok at Lifestyle Jessica, my Instagram at Lifestyle Jessica. All my socials are linked in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. The sun is like randomly peeking out in spurts, so that's great. We're gonna go outside and get a little walk in just to start our morning, and then I'll make some breakfast. We just had some breakfast, took a little walk. It's a little dreary and rainy out today, but we're gonna go to the grocery store now, do a little weekend stock up because I think we're gonna cook something tonight. Trying to decide exactly what we wanted to make, but we were thinking maybe burrito bowl. Just got back from Trader Joe's and then I had to get a couple things to chop right. I'll just do a quick little haul. We got some chicken breast, brown sugar, eggs. This pasta is great if you make the baked feta pasta. We love using this one. We're gonna make burrito bowls tonight, so we got some lean ground beef, some peppers for that, frozen broccoli, which we've been doing in the air fryer recently, and it's really good. Feta cheese, Parmesan, just cheeses for the meals we're making, chicken broth, avocados. And for the baked feta pasta, I love using these mini tomatoes. You just roast them in the oven with olive oil and seasonings, rosemary. Chocolate chips, we're gonna make cookies, ice cream. We wanna make Rice Krispie treats because we have the cereal, so I thought we would just get these to have. I like to put in tomato sauce for the baked feta pasta, so this one's good from Trader Joe's. And we were gonna try making stuffed cookies, so he likes Nutella, so we got Nutella. And then we'll try it also with Trader Joe's cookie butter. Cereal, oats, basically a rundown of the stuff that we got. It's Friday night now, work is done. We're gonna head out, I think go to Bed Bath & Beyond, look at some sheets because he wants to get some new bedding for his room. We're almost done making the room transformation video for his room at his home, and I'm really excited to share that because it's a huge transformation. Hopefully that video will be up soon, like in the next month. I don't know, it just depends. We just have a couple final finishing touches to put up. Making burrito bowls for dinner. It's Saturday morning now, just bundled up because we're actually going to head over to the beach real quick. And he really wants to do a polar plunge. That's just been his thing the last few months. Doing polar plunges, maybe like a year now actually. He's been really into them recently. I will not be partaking, I will just be watching. We are going to head out now. It's so cold and windy. Zero hesitation, just walks right in. It's a little after 1 p.m. now. We went to the beach earlier. He did the polar plunge. It was absolutely freezing at the beach. It was like 30 something degrees when we went there. It was in the 30s, so pretty cold and very windy, so it felt colder than it was. And I think the water was in the low 40s. It was definitely cold. He did it for about 3 minutes. Now it is the afternoon. I had breakfast. I edited a little nail video for these heart nails that I did a few days ago. But I'm just getting ready now, putting a little makeup on. We're going to be going out to dinner later. Maybe trying somewhere new. Not really sure what the plan is yet. I'm trying to go a little lighter with the makeup. Tinted moisturizer today. This is the Say Beauty Slip Tint. This is a great product. It has SPF in it. Very minimal coverage. SPF 35. I find that this product is good when you just apply it straight onto your skin with your fingers. I think a sponge might absorb a little too much of it up. Here's just what that looks like on. As you can see, I still have some discoloration. It doesn't cover up much. It just does a really light base with the SPF. Also like to go in with a little bit of concealer. I use the Kosas Revealer Concealer. I have the shade 2.5C. I think this is like a cool to neutral toned one. And I just like to put this under my eyes, eyelids, and any marks or blemishes that I have. Sorry for all the backlight behind me. I just have a mirror in front of me, and this is usually where I like to do my makeup, but hopefully you guys can get a good look. But after I apply the tinted moisturizer and the concealer, I like to go in and just put a little bit of the Kosas Cosmetics Cloud Set Powder. I have this in the shade Feathery. I think all of my brushes are from Eco Tools or e.l.f. I just like to put a tiny bit of this on. For bronzer, I like to use the Kosas Cosmetics Light Soft Bronze bronzing powder. Minimal bronzer. I probably could have gotten a darker shade. So I'll just put a tiny bit of this on my cheeks. And then I also like to go in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I've had that one for so long, so I'm just trying to finish it up. I feel like it just lasts forever. A little bit of the Hoola over it just to make it a little more bronzy. Okay, I feel like I needed to switch up the lighting because that backlight just wasn't it. I like to use bronzer as well as like a little bit of an eyeshadow. It adds a nice dimension and pop of warmth to my eyelids. I like to do a little bit of nose contour, so I just do a little bronzer on the tip, and I like to go in a rounded motion like this, and I will blend it out because I know it looks quite harsh. I usually just rub it with my finger. Take it down the bridge of my nose. For brows, I use the Kosas Brow Pop Defining Pencil. I have this in the shade Soft Brown. I like to focus this product on the front section of my brow here where it's more sparse, and then a little bit at the arch. I usually just do a line like this, and then I do upward strokes to fill in. And I like to rub it with my finger because it'll look very, very harsh. I rub with my finger a little, and then I just use the spoolie. I still feel like I have yet to find the perfect brow shade. This is pretty good, but even now, like it's still, I feel like anytime I get a brow pencil and I have brown or a soft brown or a light brown, it's always a little on the reddish orange side. But then if I get blonde, it's too light. So I never really know like what's my best brow color. And then for eye products, I like to go in with Ilia Beauty. I have their mascara, and then I also have the Midnight Express Clean Line Liquid Liner. I'm debating if I even want to put eyeliner on right now. I want to do something a little more subtle. Maybe I'll just do the mascara today. But I have all of these makeup products linked in the description box if you guys are interested in any of them. I've been using them now for months, and I love them. This is a good routine for me, and a lot of the brands I choose are more clean beauty brands. Like the ingredients are a little bit better. And I really like that about Kosas, Ilia Beauty, Merit Beauty. I'm going to make the mascara just a little bit thicker because I'm not wearing eyeliner. Okay, so here's the mascara on. I need to clean it up a little bit with Q-tip. It's a good mascara. It's very buildable. Sometimes I'll line my lips with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. I have this in the shade Dusty Rose 130. I had this for a while too. I'm just trying to use it up. And then maybe I'll switch to something different. Don't like to put too much on. And I'll just take the Merit Beauty Tinted Lip Oil. I have this in the clear shade, so this one's not tinted, but other ones by them are. It feels like exactly what's called a lip oil. Doesn't feel like a sticky or tacky lip balm. I love this stuff. That is basically it for my no foundation makeup routine. All of these makeup products linked in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking out or shopping any of these products. But now that I'm ready, I think I'm just gonna throw on an outfit. Here we'll have ourselves a little day. Bundled up, we're gonna just go to the park and take a walk, come back, chill for a bit, he'll shower, get ready, and then we're gonna go to dinner. I think we're gonna get sushi later because we haven't had sushi in a while and I've been just like craving sushi lately. So we're using out, so I got my earmuffs on, jacket, and I have no idea what is the best way to style these jeans. They're 90s relaxed jeans, tan beige taupe color. Put on these boots I have. I don't know. I think it would look good with like a sandal. It's way too cold for that, obviously. I put on a black sweater and black puffer jacket. We're gonna go out for sushi now. I just completely changed the fit. So here are the same jeans, but now with just little fake Ugg boots and a cropped sweater, furry jacket. Completely different aesthetic, more neutral tan color scheme. I think I like this better. It's Sunday morning now. Did a little crocheting, slept in. We're gonna take a little walk. It's sunny out, which is great, as you can tell by my extreme backlight right now. Sorry for that. Have some breakfast, and I'm not really sure what this Sunday holds, but I was just tidying up my room a little bit, and I guess we will see where the day takes us. Took our little walk, just did my skincare. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I think I'm just gonna do a smoothie. I have not been on my smoothie or smoothie bowl kick lately. Maybe once a week I'll make a smoothie. I think because it's just colder out, I haven't been wanting to make them as much. But right now it sounds refreshing and I want to get back into that. Announcement: I am moving beginning of March. About a month and a half from now, I will be moving out of my family home that I basically grew up in for almost 20 years now. So that's kind of bittersweet, but I'm excited to stay in a new place and have a new room to decorate. Where we're moving is actually pretty close to where we live now. It's not a big change location wise, but it will be a new home. I think we're just gonna go pop over there, take a few measurements, because I kind of want to decide like what am I going to be able to take from this room into my next, because the next room is a bit smaller than this. I have a queen size bed here, so that's definitely going to be coming. Like, I'm not sure honestly about the bureau. I might try to do all my clothes in a closet. I also have a coat rack over here. I have a desk. I want to decide like what I'm going to be able to take with me, and if there's anything I want to sell so that I can get that out of the way. The other day when we went to Bed Bath & Beyond, I was looking at pillows and I really like this one by the Threadery. It was pretty pricey, but hopefully I'll use it for a very, very, very long time to come. The Ultimate Duck Down pillow. I have the standard queen. Firm support. I love it. It is so comfortable. I'm excited to start using this. I think a good pillow is definitely worth the investment. Put on my Slip Silk pillowcase. Got this pillowcase as a gift from my sister a few years ago and I absolutely love it. And I feel like this is such an upgrade from my old pillow. It's just giving hotel vibes. It's so great. Leftover burrito bowl stuff for lunch, and then also a homemade crab cake that my mom made last night. I'm taking a little break from making the cookies. Just took a shower because I have to let that butter cool. I'm just going to show you guys my little nighttime skincare routine. I've been using the Merit Beauty Great Skin Serum since early December, end of November, and I have absolutely I'm loving this so much. I think it's made a huge difference in my skin. Feels great. It's a bi-phase serum, so you're supposed to shake it up and then pump a squirt or two, rub it into your face. That's what I've been doing every single night now, fully a month or so. After I use the Mere Beauty serum, I just go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is the same moisturizer I also use in the morning. I like to use a pretty generous amount because I do feel like I have drier skin. After I go in with my moisturizer, I just like to take the acne-free adapalene gel, 0.1% adapalene gel. It's a comparable product to Differin, and you can get this at the drugstore. And this is a part of my acne treatment. I've been using adapalene gel now since March of 2020, coming up on 3 years. Almost 3 years of using this, so pretty crazy. After I go in with the adapalene gel, I just like to take a 10% benzoyl peroxide. This is just the Face Values brand that I got at Harmon's. I usually use the Clean and Clear one. I just got this because I believe it's the same thing as the Clean and Clear 10% benzoyl peroxide gel, but it was like $1 or $2 cheaper. I just put this on my spots, problem area, anywhere where I have a blemish. And that is it for my nighttime skincare. I wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like I haven't done a talk through skincare routine in a little while. I will have all of my skincare, makeup, favorite products linked down below. Get back to the cookies now. Check on those. The butter should be cool. Hopefully they come out good because I've never made these before.